Good morning, good morning. I hope you are doing great. So let's go straight to our quick analysis. But you can see that the tariffs are all over the place. We saw the market going crazy yesterday, actually. So yeah, the tariffs were actually going on yesterday. Mexico and Canada. So I think the best way maybe is to explain tariffs. But what I know is we've been paying for tariffs for almost like we pay for them almost every day. For example, let's say it's two countries. I will say the first one is China, or let me just say CH is China, and the other one it's RSA, South Africa. Let's say something like that. So let's say there is a company in South Africa wants to buy, let's say, a mobile device, and this mobile device cost maybe $10, right? So this company from South Africa, they will actually pay that at $10. But once it reaches South Africa, the government will, I'm just giving you the example of the tariff. They will say, okay, every product with this, let's say, mobile devices in South Africa from China will charge you $5 custom tax. When you import some stuff, we have to charge you $5. So now the cost price is what? The cost, let's say this one is custom fee. This one goes to the government now. So this is your cost, $10. So maybe this is something that confuses people, where actually tariff affects customers or consumers, or us, let's say us. So it's when this company wants to sell this device. Remember, they bought it for $10. They gave the government $5. So now it means the total is actually $15. So for them to make profit, they might actually sell this product, because now it's $15, right? So they might sell this product for, let's say, maybe $20, but we know they might even go to $25, which means they're gaining $5 to make profit, right? So when they increase this tariff thing, let's say maybe SA say, okay, we're charging you 5%. Now, products from China, we're going to charge them, let's say 25%, or let's say now it's going to be 10. So which means, let me use this. Now custom tax is no longer $5 that we used to. Now it's 10. So which means the same products that we used to buy is no longer going to be this. Customer used to pay this price. After the government took their thing and the cost price. So now the company has to do what? The company has to increase the price so that they make some profit. They can say, okay, from $20 now it's going to be $25. So now you can see that even though the company paid for that custom tax or fee or tariff, at the end of the day, you are the customer who is going to cover that so that they make profit. So the actual company, the Chinese or any other country that you bought your stuff, they don't pay that, because you just bought this product. Then once it reaches your shore, it's where you pay that. So which means, just to clear that, the not Chinese country, not Chinese or maybe any other country is going to pay a tariff for you. You are, or we are, the customers who are going to cover that. Yes, the thing is, it's going to affect these companies, because now they have to add extra fee for their customers, and you might find that the customers, they're not really happy with that. But this strategy actually, it's used in two ways. Tariff actually help the country to have enough revenue from those tariffs, or it also helps local government. Let's say maybe from China, you were buying t-shirt from China. Now it costs $25. Locally, you can still do that with $25. If that is possible, it means there's no point that you can try to ship something which is very far. At the end of the day, you might pay, let's say maybe 28. Locally, that might be 25. Or that company, if maybe it seems like it has enough customers, I think they will end up coming to that country. But mostly it's not really the case. It takes time to build a company. See, and those workers in that company, you might find that the salary is not going to be the same. Let's say the cost is not going to be the same, which means if maybe that t-shirt from China, it was $25, if they make it locally, because there is local laws, there is different things, you might find that you might end up selling that t-shirt for $30, which means it is still not really reasonable. I hope maybe you understand that. So tariff actually, it's paid by us. It's paid by companies who are going to pay the government certain tax. Then that tax goes straight to the customer because that company wants to make some profit. I think maybe if you did order something from a different country, there is something called custom tax, and that is the fee that you pay to actually the government takes that, and as a customer, obviously you covered that. It's not really about the company. Yes, that might disrupt the flow of stuff, but maybe we will see. We will see how bad is it. So I hope maybe I explain it much better in a way that you're gonna understand. So as you know, let's just go straight. We are already on Nasdaq. On a bigger time frame here, on the daily time frame, we can see that the market seems to be respecting our support area. Yes, we had that enough sell there, or a proper sell structure, which we've been waiting for, by the way. But the aggressiveness, we never thought maybe that is going to be that aggressive, but it's like that. It's like that. So which means now, let's zoom a little bit. At the moment, we can see that okay, the market, it's on this support after all this time. So now it's where we can say there is enough chance that the market can continue going up. But the market was around this level. We thought maybe it was going to go higher like that. But you know what? At the end of the day, the market agreed with me because I've been talking about this nice support area for quite some time, and now it seems like the market is respecting that. So now I'm still expecting to see the market going higher. Remember, this Friday we still have NFP, so we have to be extra careful because things might change. Things might change in a good or bad way, especially on the market moves. I mean the volatility. So S&P 500, yeah, we also get that reversal there. I don't know if maybe this will connect. Nope, that doesn't really connect. So if we go closer again, let me see if maybe we can get something. But at the end of the day, I like the fact that the market did reverse, and it seems like the market is now recovering aggressively. The market is recovering aggressively. So which means we can now go back on the market. We had our buy pending order there, but guess what? You can see that the market did not really play games. We had that spike, and yeah, but at the end of the day, it seems like the market will end up going even higher in this nice uptrend, and that is what we see. I think we're gonna see that continuation of that buy, but as I said, don't really go aggressive on the market. At the moment, things are still very volatile. Maybe once the market opens, we might see how investors think. Maybe we might see a continuation, but with the looks here, it seems like we will see the market going even higher on S&P 500. So let's check US30 and see what's really happening. US30 was also doing the same thing. I like what I see here because we had so many supports resistant, which at the end of the day, they were just confusing. But remember, I've drawn this even before just to show you that this might happen, and I like the fact that indeed that actually happened. I can also remove this so that you can see nicely. Let's remove that also. So you can see that we actually have a proper support area. So I'm expecting to see a nice push, because this is what happens, especially once the market is on the support area. On the bottom side here, maybe you can see something like that. Yeah, it's correct. So on top, as you saw before, that it's actually a resistant area. As long as the market can respect this area, I think we will be going for that long or bullish move. So unless if maybe the market breaks out. So for those who wants to learn from me, mentorship, 4 months mentorship, it's actually, let me just show you that. You can scan that QR code. 4 months mentorship, it's actually $150 so that you can learn on your own. So signal indicator or system indicator, it's actually $27 coming from $150, but it ends this Friday. Or you can just get our lifetime for also $27. So just let me know so that you don't really miss these nice specials. So yeah, now as we were on this US30, I think we can just go on a different pair, maybe a currency pair. Actually, I just wanted to explain what are tariffs for my fellow traders, some of the traders who don't really understand them that much. We did smash actually gold. It seems to be trying to go even higher, but quite slower. But the overall structure there, let me remove that. We can easily see that we are still on that nice uptrend, but where we are, I think we will have maybe this type of a move going further, which is not really bad. We can say we are still on the highest level, but anything can still happen. I'm still expecting to see the market going lower if Russia and Ukraine get on the table and stop, or let's say ceasefire, they reach ceasefire deal. That will be great. Obviously, we will see gold selling off. I hope maybe that makes sense. So with tariffs knocking left and right, I thought maybe that will make the dollar to be quite stronger, but seems like it's not like that. We had this, I think, a few days ago, and I've been also talking about that. So it seems like now GBP USD, it's on with the trend. So we are going to continue looking for this uptrend. We saw that. I think we can have something like that. Then we can continue going higher again. I thought maybe the dollar is going to be quite stronger with the tariffs, but it seems like nope, not really like that. So on the DXY, we can easily see that dollar index is now going straight to that bearish move. Why? Obviously, maybe this is bad for economy. Those tariffs seems to be not really nice, but we'll just have to wait maybe for a week and see if maybe we will see a sort of a reversal or something. But it seems like investors don't really like that, and it seems like we are going to see that continuation of a sell. Once we see this sell, it means other countries which are going against the dollar, this is DXY, they are going to gain some momentum, but we'll just have to wait and see. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends so that you don't really miss our daily updates. And don't forget to scan that QR code if you want to be part of the team. We still have that specials going on. Just let me know. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.